Hey friends, Dave here. This is the number two video in our series on automated emails series. And so today I wanted to talk about an action series, right? And what this is really focused on getting people to take an action around a particular product, a service, or an event even, right? Something like that. You want somebody to do something based on what it is that you're trying to promote. And so when you think about this series, right, again, we're going to talk about 3 emails to keep it simple. You're going to send each of these emails, a few days, maybe a week apart. Again, it depends on the nature of your business and what it is that you're trying to sell or what the timeline is for a particular thing. But in that first email, right, give me reasons why. Here are 3 reasons why you would want to buy this particular thing, use this particular service, or attend this particular event, right? Give me the reasons why. Email number 2, highlight a unique aspect of that thing, right? So is there something special that the product does, something special that the service does? Is there going to be something that people are going to be really excited about at the particular event, right? So highlight that thing and hone in on that and let me know, right? And then, of course, in each of these emails, your call to action is to do that thing that you need the people to do, right? And then the third email in this series is around the idea of evoking the fear of missing out, right? FOMO. People don't like to miss out on things. And so how could you show people either, using your product, getting really great results, or, maybe it's things people have to say about the particular service or working with you and the results they were able to see. And maybe it's even pictures from a previous event, right? Something like that. Where you're showing everybody having a really great time and people don't want to miss out on that stuff. So that's a simple way or template to help you think about, all right, I want somebody to do something specific. How could I automate some emails that will drive people toward taking that particular action? And they're really designed to get people who are interested in taking that next step, whatever that is going to be for you. So tell me, how would you use a series like this? Let me know in the comments below. And next video, we'll share the last of these 3 videos that I want to talk about, some simple series that you can set up for emails. So we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.